Today I am back here with another lecture. In previous lecture we have learned about major histocompatibility complex or MHC. MHC genes encode for proteins and these proteins then bind to the cell surface and act as self-antigens and help in recognition between self and non-self, that is our own body cells and foreign invaders. Now, as we know that MHC genes are further of three types: class 1, class 2 and class 3. Class 3 molecules are always involved in immune responses. But whereas in case of class 1 and class 2, they are only involved in antigen processing and presentation. And they present cells to the or peptides to the processed peptides to the T cells. Now we know that immune system comprises of two different type of cells, main जो cells हैं, that is B cells and T cells. B cell can recognize variety of antigens and can bind to the free antigens and then differentiate it into plasma cell and release antigen specific antibodies. Whereas T cells cannot bind to the free antigen, it needs antigen or whole protein molecules to be processed into peptides, and these peptides are then processed by the uh, uh, class 1 or class 2 molecules, and then they are presented to the T cells. Now in this lecture we will discuss about class 1 and class 2 molecules, their structure and function.
So here you can see B cell combines with the antigen and differentiate into plasma cell releasing the antibodies, whereas T cell requires antigen presenting cell for processing and MHC for the presentation of the antigen. Now let's see class 1 and class 2 molecules. First we will take up the structure of class 1 molecules. Now see the diagram. This is alpha 1, this is alpha 2 and alpha 3, and this is beta 2. Now let's discuss it in detail. The class 1 molecule comprises of two different polypeptides, alpha chain and beta 2 microglobulin. These both chains are bound to each other by non-covalent interaction. So first of all, let's talk about the alpha chain. Alpha chain comprises of three different domains, that is alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3. These three domains are almost about 90 amino acids long, and the molecular weight is about 45 kilodalton. This alpha chain is synthesized in MHC, that is on chromosome 6. Similarly, beta 2 microglobulin, it is similar to that of alpha 3, corresponds to that of alpha 3. Molecular weight here is about 12 kilodalton, and it is synthesized on or encoded on chromosome number 15. So it is not synthesized on MHC. And this beta 2 microglobulin, it is essential for प्रॉपर फोल्डिंग ऑफ अल्फ़ा चेन. जो अल्फ़ा चेन के अल्फ़ा 1, अल्फ़ा 2 और अल्फ़ा 3 जो डोमेन्स हैं उनकी प्रॉपर फोल्डिंग के लिए बीटा 2 चेन इज़ essential. Now see the structure of class 1 molecule. As we know that class 1 comprises of alpha and beta chain, Alpha, it is differentiated into 3 domains, alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3, whereas next polypeptide chain is the beta 2, and these both chains are bind to each other by non-covalent interactions. Now here you can see the alpha chain, it is bound to the membrane by a transmembrane domain, this domain, transmembrane domain. This domain is about 25 amino acid long and it is hydrophobic in nature, right? It is followed, this domain, it is followed by a stretch of charged amino acids which are hydrophilic in nature. Then there is free end which is called as the cytoplasmic tail. It is about 30 amino acid long and it is like that of charged molecule, it is hydrophilic in nature, right? Now as I already said that beta and alpha 3 correspond to each other, ये बिल्कुल एक जैसे हैं, and here this alpha 3 it is invariant portion. Invariant means it is the binding site for CD8 co-receptor of T cell. तो T सेल का जो CD8 को रिसेप्टर है वो यहाँ अल्फा 3 के साइड बाइंड करेगा, एंड दिस साइट इट इज़ फॉर द एंटीजन बाइंडिंग एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज एंटीजन बाइंडिंग क्लेफ्ट और antigen binding site, and almost about 8 to 10 amino acid long antigens or peptides can bind to this portion. So this is the structure of class 1 molecule. Function of class 1 molecule, it present intracellular or endogenous antigens on cell surface. तो ये एंडोजिनस जो एंटीजन है उनको सेल सरफेस पे लाने का काम करते हैं, सो दैट इट कैन बी आइडेंटिफाइड बाय द टी सेल. नाउ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ क्लास 2 molecule. Class 2 molecule comprises of 2 polypeptide chains like that of class 1, that is alpha chain and beta chain. Alpha chain comprises of 2 different domains, that is alpha 1 and alpha 2, and here alpha chain is about 33 kilo daltons, whereas beta chain comprises of 2 domains, that is beta 1 and beta 2, whereas in case of class 1 it was only beta 2. And the molecular weight here is 28 kilo dalton. Now let's see the structure of class 2 molecule. Now here it is the alpha 1 and it is the alpha 2, whereas this one is the beta 1 and this one is the beta 2. Now here you can see this is the transmembrane domain. अनलाइक दैट ऑफ क्लास 1 जहाँ पे कि अल्फ़ा चेन ही जो मेम्ब्रेन में एम्बेडेड थी, यहाँ पे अल्फ़ा एंड बीटा चेन्स बोथ आर एम्बेडेड इन द मेम्ब्रेन एंड दीज आर द साइटोप्लाज्मिक टेल. हेयर वहाँ पे आप देख रहे थे कि जो अल्फ़ा 3 था वो बाइंड था विद दैट ऑफ टी सेल. हेयर B2, this B2, it is the binding site for T cell CD4 co-receptor. Now here you can see this part. Again, it is the antigen binding cleft or antigen binding site. Now here you can see यहाँ पे जो ये दोनों ends हैं these are open. तो इसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है कि larger amino acid can bind to this site. About 13 to 18 amino acid long peptides can bind to this site. Unlike 8 to 10 amino acid long जो थे वो class 1 में हो रहे थे, यहाँ कितने हो रहे हैं? About 13 to 18 amino acid long peptides can bind to this site. Now the function of class 2 molecule is to present extracellular or exogenous antigens on cell surface. So these are the difference between class 1 and class 2 molecule. In class 1 molecules, alpha chain comprises of 3 different domains, that is alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3, and molecular weight of alpha chain is about 45 kilodaltons. Whereas in class 2, alpha chain comprises of only 2 domains, that is alpha 1 and alpha 2, and molecular weight is about 33 kilodaltons. Similarly, in class 1, beta chain comprises of only single chain and it corresponds to alpha 3 domain. Molecular weight here is 12 kilodaltons, whereas in case of class 2, beta chain comprises of 2 domains, that is beta 1 and beta 2, and the molecular weight is 28 kilodaltons. Now in case of class 1, only alpha chain has transmembrane domain, whereas in class 2, both chains have transmembrane domain. In class 1, alpha 3 domain binds to, here alpha 3 domain binds to CD8 co-receptor of T cell, whereas in case of class 2, beta 2 domain binds to CD4 co-receptor of T cell. In case of class 1, antigen binding site can bind peptides about 8 to 10 amino acid long, whereas in class 2, the size that antigen binds it is about 13 to 18 amino acid long, because both the ends of the polypeptide chains are open. This diagram shows the difference between MHC class 1 and class 2 molecules.
So I hope you have liked the video and I have cleared all the doubts regarding its structure, function and differences. So kindly stay tuned for further information. Thank you. Have a nice day.